That sounded like a big fart. Okay. Hello and welcome to the happiest place on the internet. My name is Adelaine Morin and today, girl, we're going to be doing a spring haul. Welcome to my haul channel. I literally only do hauls. I have a problem. Anyways, so we got, I can't even put it on camera. That's how big it is. And then this bad boy and a bunch of bags. Oh my god, within my bags. So Adeline, what was your excuse this time? I'm going to LA a lot and then Coachella's coming up, so like we're just gonna be in like bathing suits, we're gonna be wearing like cute clothes. I needed a spring splurge, man. Most people do spring breaks, but I just get more stuff. But if you guys like today's video, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe, and I love you so much. Okay, let's start. Girl, let's talk. Ponytails. Have you ever seen Ariana Grande's ponytail? And you're like, oh my god, that's such an amazing hairstyle. Wait, look at this. And then wait, literally watch. Okay, ready? I'm gonna put a timer. Timer starts now. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god. That was 37 seconds, but I still need to bobby pin her down. I just did one bobby pin. Ooh, she's kind of cute. I got a ponytail extension from INH, which is insert name here. They have an Instagram. Heart actually had them, and I saw it on her Instagram, and I immediately wanted it. But love her. I've been wearing her so much recently, because like, girl, if I want cute hair, like I normally just like curl it or something, and that takes 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Where's this girl? 37 seconds if I really wanted to. Okay, I pinned her down. Okay, next. This whole box is Hollister. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Let's just jump in. I want to show you one of my favorite things ever. This one piece. Oh my god. So I shot with Hollister in the Bahamas, and one of the girls got this pattern bathing suit, and I was so jealous. So later on, I asked Hollister, I'm like, Hollister, can you send me that bathing suit? And they were like, yes. So they sent it to me like this. I love this, and it's a one piece, but it looks like a two piece, so you can eat all the pizza that you want, but still look hella good. Fresh. Paper bag shorts. I don't know what it is about paper bag shorts. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with them. Like, this is a new one. I got this one's from Urban. Like, I just love paper bag shorts. I think they just like cinch your waist, look really good, and it comes with a belt like, oh, let's talk about this real quick. Here's the bottom and here's the top. I don't know. I don't have a basic black bathing suit, and Hollister's just really good at basic stuff. And I feel like it's good to splurge on basic stuff because it just looks good on everyone, you know what I mean? Like, it just, like, this reminds me of like an aloe yoga bra, like a sports bra, something like that. Ooh, love her. Next. Oh my god, yes! I'm so happy they sent this. This romper. Wait, it is a romper, right? Yeah, I'm obsessed. You guys know my every haul I have a romper because you don't have to think about your outfit that day. You slap it on, underwear, bra, what, you don't even need a bra to be honest. You don't even need underwear to be honest. You slap this on, put some shoes on, and you look like you put a lot of effort into your look when you really didn't. Maybe put a necklace or something. She's cute. Love her. And maybe like a belt to cinch the waist. Next, I just got this basic white, again, Hollister's like so good for basics. Basic white top. She looked cute. She like festival ready. Oh my god, I didn't even know Hollister made towels. They sent me a Hollister towel. Okay, this reminded me, girl, what does this remind you of? This reminded me so much of my merch, and I love when hoodies have things on the sleeve. I don't know what it is about it. Like, all of my merch has like something on the sleeve. So we got her. She says Hollister. She has the little flowers, and then it has like the little Hollister bebop. I don't know what this is called. I know what this is though. From Phineas and Ferb, this is called a taglet. Okay, random. Shorts. Love me some basic shorts. I don't know. I just like it when it covers my butt. Okay, I don't know. So like not having every single one of my jeans frayed. Nice. This reminds me so much of the American Apparel one. Like, love. I feel like that'll look super cute on. Another thing, transitioning from winter into springtime. How cute are these colors? Just take a look. How is this not Adeline? This is like, I don't know. I felt like this is like the cutest color scheme I've ever seen in my entire life, and I'm so excited to wear this with like, maybe when it gets a little like warmer out, I could be weather confused and wear like jean shorts and like, you know what I mean? Love being weather confused. Ultra high rise leggings. I love me my maternity leggings. So we got her a basic, what does it say? Slim tee. I don't know why they sent this to me. I think this is a freaking inflatable toy. This is an inflatable floaty. I would blow it up for you just to show you what it looks like, but girl, I don't even have an air pump, girl. Does anybody have time? Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh my god. So soft. These are the cutest sweatpants. I love this color. This is very like, this color just reminds me of like Aspen Ovard, Sierra Furtado, like girly Instagram feed, Karen Swan from KK Baby J, who I have to freaking hurry up with this haul because I have to pick her up from the airport. Basic pink sweater, and then look, it has Gilly Hicks, which is Hollister like underwear brand. Love. Or sister company. I don't really know what Gilly Hicks is to Hollister, but oh, this is to go with the shorts. This is so cute. I love this color. And that design, whoever created this design, she needs a raise. Like, she's so cute. We have the little Hollister logo with a bunch of flowers around it. Ah! Hollister, you know what you need? You need sunflowers and yellow. Oh, and then this is to go with the other one. I'm like opening everything out of order. Cute little pink shorts. I wore a pink outfit. It was like pink velvet shorts and then a pink top for our shoot with Hollister in Palm Springs, which will hopefully be out in stores soon. And it reminded me so much of this. The Gilly Hike stuff. So soft! I literally feel like I'm wearing pajamas because it's so soft. And then we got a basic tube top. I love this. I feel like this with like jean shorts, like she a model or whatever. Oh my god, Andre started, you guys know my friend Andre. He started saying oh whatever like 5 million times a day, and now I say 5 million times a day, and I bodysuit, red top, crop top. Oh my god. A burger! A yellow Hawaii shirt. Girl, this one is so cute in actual Hawaii. Actually, is that like too touristy? She's so cute. We got some flowy shorts, a white tube top. It's like ribbed. It feels so nice. And then lastly, so I don't know if you guys know Brie. Brie literally models for like every Hollister shoe ever known to mankind. So she was at my photo shoot for Palm Springs and in Bahamas, which I vlogged. You guys watch the vlog on my vlog channel what it's like to model for Hollister. And she was wearing this top and bottom piece and it looked so good on her. I don't know if it's because she's like an actual model and she's like a stunning human being, or if it's just like a super cute bathing suit, but I needed it in my life because I saw it on her and I was like, ah! I needed it. And I think Haley also wore like the red version of this and it looked really good on her. It's just like a flattering bathing suit, you know what I mean? It looks good. Makes the booty look good, makes the tatas look good. She makes everything look good, girl. But yeah, that's everything from Hollister. But yeah, I feel like we're pretty good with the spring packing to LA now. She's gonna go straight in the suitcase. Really quick, I wanted to say thank you so much to Hollister for sponsoring today's video. I'm actually in the Hollister stores, which is like, I don't even know what life is anymore. Like, this is like, I'm sweating so much right now. I don't know what life is. I don't know why they chose me. I don't know why I have scrunchies on my hand because I feel like a potato that just slaps on makeup in there. Thank you so much to Hollister for sponsoring this video and putting me in your stores. I love you so much. If you guys ever see me in the Hollister stores, girl, take a photo with it and tweet it to me, Instagram tag me, something like that. I love seeing you guys just be amazing human angels, ADELANGELs. And if you guys are on spring break and you need like a cute little playlist, I added a girl boss playlist on Spotify so you could go and check it out. The link will be down below. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's like home underwear, I guess. It's like girl empowering, you know what I mean? So you can check it out. And if you guys want to shop Hollister, any of their swim, then make sure to check it out. The link will be down below if you want to shop Hollister. Okay, next. So this is also cute for summer, spring break. So I just launched some brand new merch. It's the Beat Bop. I'm gonna call this a Spirit Crew because it's inspired by the Disney one that I literally wear to bed every single night. It's like the comfiest pajamas ever. And I wear it to Disneyland like with leggings. It's amazing. But she's just like a Beat Bop Disney crew. She has sunflowers in the back. She says Beat Bop in the front. I love her. Obviously, she's been up for a while. And she's like one of our best sellers, but we got our Beat Bop crew, our Beat Bop pew pew sweatpants. And girl, you thought it ended there. My ponytail's gonna come out. This just launched. It's our Beat Bop, oh my god, bodysuit. And then we also, for our ADELANGELs on a budget, I try to have all different types of price ranges. We have our Beat Bop t-shirt. And then, oh girl, this Beat Bop hat. It says Beat Bop in the back, Beat Bop, and then the sunflower at the front. I don't know, I think this is so cute. And it's not like, I don't know, I feel like with merch and like Ariana merch or like fan merch or like YouTuber merch or like fan merch, whatever, like I like to have merch that is like cute and like acceptable to wear in public, but like also everyone knows like, oh, you're a fan of like Harry Styles, or like you're like, you know what I mean? Like treat people with kindness. So that's like why I created this amazing launch, because I feel like, girl, I feel like everyone looks good in black and like it's comfy, it's cute, it has a sunflower, so it's like perfect for spring. I also have, where's my scrunchie? She's underneath my pile of clothes, which we are not gonna touch. But we have a scrunchie pack of 3. One of them is underneath my pile of clothes, but you know what? The rest of the video we could just wear her. She looks so cute. Obsessed. My freaking baby ears, man. Oh, I found her. Okay, she was at the very bottom, but it comes in a pack of 3. This gold one, this sunflower, and then this Beat Bop. Girl, sometimes I see scrunchies for $12 each. All 3 of these are $15. That's all I gotta say. I think next I'm gonna do Urban Planet just because, so really quickly, I wanted to do the Bratz doll makeup challenge, and I'm gonna show you a photo of like the Bratz doll that I wanted to recreate. So super quickly, I got this yellow tank top, and then over top of it, I'm gonna put this orange dress. I'm gonna put the buttons in the back though, because she doesn't have buttons. I may cut this up and turn this into a choker. These are from Walmart, but they're these like yellow earrings. And then a little sidetrack, but we got little queen dog collar and dog leash, because Blue and Lola are both a queen, and Lola tends to eat everything, so like we have like no collars. And then Aloe Yoga, literally my favorite yoga brand, sent over. I did like an Instagram story for this, but it's just like this 2-piece, so it has like a green sports bra with the leggings to match, and they have like these like little rips in them, which I think is super cool and unique. And I don't know what it is about like olive green, but I feel like it just makes olive skin tone one looked really good. Olive. Oh. And then I'm not sure if this counts as a haul, but like I wanted to show this. I love all things planner, anything. So I got this bad boy. It's from Inkwell Press Productivity Co. But my life coach got it for me because we're trying to put mental health like as a priority. So I just got her. She's super cute. Like you can take out pages, you can add pages, like super customizable. I don't know. I'm just like really excited about it. I still want to do my bullet journal. I don't really know if I want to do this one more, my bullet journal more, but we'll figure it out. Hey, it's a couple days later. Can you tell? In the couple days, this pimple grew and I don't know how to get rid of her. But I got a couple more things that I thought I wanted to like throw into the haul, and I also didn't do the try on portion of the haul yet, so I thought I might as well add this. We got a couple more things that I wanted to show you. Girl, wait, I realized my mic is right beside the camera. I didn't put it on, so I'm gonna put my mic on. Okay, so I went to the mall originally wanting to get Doc Martens. Okay, I'm not wearing them, but like I wanted to get the white Doc Martens with the platforms in them, and they were sold out. They're not in my mall near me. So yeah, so that's why I ended up with a bunch of other things. Ah! But I do want to get the freaking white Doc Martens with the platforms. It's a dream. I have a dream. Okay, anyways, I don't even know what's happening anymore. Forever 21. I went in and I got literally all jewelry because their jewelry is so freaking cute and so freaking cheap. So I feel like this has been in style a lot recently. This is just like a shell necklace, but it's kind of like a choker. Everyone has been wearing this freaking necklace everywhere on Instagram. And girl, you know how much it was? $9.90. All those freaking Instagram bloggers were the ones that are like $100. $9.90. Forever 21. So you guys know that I wear this necklace literally all the time. So I have this necklace. It's kind of like a horn necklace. Oh wait, I'm wearing it right now. You guys always ask me where it's from, and it's from Lily Class, but this is my third one because they literally always break. Like I love her the most. I love her story behind her jewelry line is so cute and so amazing, and I want to support her all the way. But girl, sometimes she just gets too expensive sometimes. So Forever 21 kind of has dupes. They're not as cute. Like this one's way freaking cuter, but I got two of them. I love them. I love the freaking horn necklaces. Maybe I was like, what if I wore this like when I want to go swimming or something where I want to look cute, but I don't want to get the necklace ruined because it's really delicate. And then I wanted to do the Bratz doll makeup challenge, and in the makeup challenge, or in the Bratz photo that I'm taking inspiration off of, she has yellow earrings, so I found these on Forever 21. They were $7.90. Kind of expensive, girl. For these freaking earrings, I feel like this looks like freaking dollar store. Anyways, find yellow earrings. Forever 21 was the one that had yellow earrings. That's everything that we got Forever 21. Look at this huge long receipt that I got for all those, what was it, 4 things? 3 things? I just tangled them all up in the bag. Bath and Body Works. So I feel like I got a lot of good finds at Bath and Body Works. Okay, first of all, this is so nasty, but I got a Tim Hortons muffin, which I still haven't eaten. They came out with the strawberry collection, and they have strawberry muffins, strawberry everything, and that's my favorite. Anything strawberry I'm in love with, so got that. We got a lot of receipts for McDonald's for my Shamrock Shake. We got good stuff. So I originally went in there for, you guys know, literally my favorite things ever, the hyaluronic acid freaking face mask. These are always sold out everywhere. Everywhere I go, they're never there. Everyone always buys them, and they're so amazing. When I feel like a naked mole rat or a dead fly on the wall, like I don't know, when I feel like I put this on and I'm a snake, I shed my new skin and I'm a new human. I swear to you, like this just like hydrates me. So I think it was like buy 2 get 1 free, so I got 1, 2, 3. I got all of them, so they were sold out because I took them all. And then I got this little guy free, even though I never really tried it before. I just wanted it because I got it for free. We got coupons, and oh my god. I think the reason why I wanted this the most is because of the packaging. Is this not the cutest candle that you've ever seen in your entire life? So I love the packaging, and I was like, okay, this has to smell at least decent, and then I'll get it. She smells good. She smells like banana. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever had like banana flavored medicine when you were younger, but that's what it kind of smells like. It smells really good, and I love the packaging. It would look so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, this is a hyaluronic acid sleeping mask. I had no idea Bath and Body Works made this. So it says, it's just like, says water, it's a sleeping mask. You're supposed to put this on, apply evenly across the face, avoiding eye area, leave overnight, and rinse off in the morning. So hyaluronic acid, yes. So I got that. I'm gonna try her out. I don't know if she's good or not, but the last thing that I got from Bath and Body Works, do you expect me not to get this? Like, this is a blue French bulldog wallflower. I love wallflowers because my boyfriend Matt gets mad at me every single time I light a candle because he's like, he's a firefighter. He's like, you're gonna burn the house down, and I'm like, no, I'm not. Wallflowers, blue French bulldog. I needed this in my life. They just need a black lab. If Bath and Body Works is watching this, you make a black lab wallflower, you got a sale for me. You got a sale for me. I literally have so many, sorry, it's so messy. I have wallflowers all over there, like all of the scent, and not enough wallflowers to put them in. So that's why we needed that in our lives. That sounded like a big fart. Okay, the last thing that I got, so this wasn't a PR package, but I felt like this was haul worthy because this is the most beautiful package that I've ever seen in my entire life. This is the MAC Boom Boom Bloom PR package, and she's so beautiful. She reminds me of Ariana Grande Cloud aesthetic. This is their, let's just look at the packaging really quick. Oh, did you see all the flowers come out? I want to die. So this is the packaging that it comes in. So cute. And this is their Fix Plus, the MAC Prep and Prime. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my god. If this came in little yellow flower petals, like, oh my god. Next up, we got, so these are their lip glasses. Girl, I'm gonna show you what they look like. They're so freaking cute. I needed to show this in the haul. And one of my friends, my girlfriend, at the photo shoot for my palette, I was like, girl, your lip gloss is popping. Like, she looked so good. And I was like, what are you wearing? She said MAC lip gloss. So I'm really excited to try these. This is what they look like. Oh my god. The cutest packaging I've ever seen in my entire life. Let's do a little swatch. We're beauty gurus, huh? Over top of my tattoo removal. Love that. Oh my god, this is the ugliest swatch I've ever did in my entire life. This is Heart Melter. Ooh. This is Cherry Mochi. This is For the Frill of It. And this is Pinkaboo. Oh, I love that. And then also, I just threw this in the MAC bag because I also got this in PR. But you guys know one of my favorite mascaras ever is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And they just came out with a Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. So I'm really excited to try that. Right now, my favorite eyeliner is the Tarteist eyeliner. So we'll see about this because, girl, she's a good mascara. So we'll see. Competition rivalry between the two. Oh my god, I was just about to do the try on part of the video. And I also got this for my sister. I'm gonna do a transforming my sister into me video, and this is gonna be the final surprise for her because I know that she's been watching it for really long time. She wants to flex. She wants to flex on the haters. Okay, but yeah. Okay, now that's everything that I got from the haul. Cue outro now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much to Hollister for sponsoring today's video. I love you so much. And if you see me in the Hollister stores, like, please tag me. I love you so much for watching this video. And if you want more hauls, just come back to my haul channel. What's a cinch? But if you guys have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, I'll see you guys in my next weekly vlog every Sunday and every day on my vlog channel. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. Bye!